Yeah, boy.
Has that started?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Door amp's towards you.
Okay. Good job. Should I close it?
Yeah, stop the bees getting out.
You're funny.
Right, look, what's that?
Bruh.
That's a busy ass hive.
My neck doesn't feel very protected and I'm scared.
Yeah, at least look, when I turn my head it all goes up my face. I'm not sure. That's a lot of bee poop up the front.
Is that bee poop?
Yeah. I'm not sure about it. I haven't got a listen to it. Going in with pollen. Have you ever seen a bee carrying pollen?
No, but I'm too scared to get any closer.
Well, you can come closer than that. It's not, there's no dead bees outside. There's a few on the floor. If you ever see them, they've got like little yellow lumps under their legs.
Yeah.
That's pollen.
Oh, okay.
A little bit bothered by the amount of poop there is.
I'm getting
The
booped.
bees aren't going to come up. Oh, you are. Look, you want to have a look into the hive?
Not really.
Try it safe, it's a glass lid.
I can hear them. Look, they've still got like built stuff.
Yeah. So as you can see, look, if you look into the hive, see this frame here?
Yeah.
This is one of our new frames and there's loads of bees on that, so they're definitely drawing that out and working that.
Yeah.
This frame here,
Not so many.
not so much, yeah.
There's a lot in that corner there.
Yeah. See, they're all over this frame here.
Yeah.
They look quite happy. I don't think they're being robbed or anything. Alright, so let's have a look in this. This is the feeder.
I thought they were actually in the water then, I got scared.
No, they're not in the water. There's loads left in there. I thought that was going to be gone.
Is it just sugar water?
Yes, just sugar water in there, sugar syrup.
How do they drink it?
With they've got like a big long tongue they stick out and drink. And then what they'll do is they'll go back and they'll spit it into a cell, like you'll see in a minute, one of the hexagons.
Yeah.
Into the honeycomb. Take that off. What are you guys doing? You're hanging around on the floor. Okay, so take this off, you might see a few bees now. Look, because the hive is now open.
I'm scared.
That's alright, you'll be fine, don't worry.
Look
Remember,
at
they
that one.
won't get
He's
you, they'll
drinking
get
the
me.
water that's left.
There's a bee here. What's wrong with you? Dead.
Dead.
Bee.
Dead.
What's wrong with this bee here? He's not alive. Listen. Oh look, they've stuck it all together. Okay, so nice. Chop chop.
Yeah, but it's not
Remember,
for me.
they're going to go for me because I'm the one who's
I know, but they
smashing them over.
still scare me.
That's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the queen. Okay, see that I've got one on my face already, look. Desperate to kill me, this one is. Not there. So, it's our first new frame on the outside. There's nothing on that, look. That's just a blank frame. Which is kind of what I'm expecting because I've put the hive together the warm way. So, instead of having the frames that way running to the door so the breeze can come through.
Yeah.
In the cold winter, I've put it the other way so the frames are that way.
Okay.
So the breeze can't come through the whole hive. So what I expected is the hive to work towards the door.
Yeah.
Okay, and as we can see, this is the first frame next to the hive that we got. Look.
Oh.
First bit of real. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. I'll put my finger on you.
Your arm's kind of in the way. Oh, there's so many of them.
First bit of actual drawn out honeycomb.
Yeah.
Happy days.
Happy days. Roses.
I'm sure today, so it's okay. So,
Whoa!
oh, there's the queen.
Where?
Bottom left corner.
Oh.
Close. This is
Oh yeah.
The back.
Oh. Bruh.
That's our
They've
queen.
got so much honeycomb on there.
Now that is, well, the wet stuff is nectar. That's going to be turned into honey.
Yeah.
The brown stuff.
Yeah.
That's baby bees. It's called brood.
Oh.
And that's capped, so it's about halfway. The
Yeah.
yellow stuff on the left. That's
Yeah.
pollen.
I can see there's some like in between all the brood.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Alright, so have a quick look at the other side of that. Again, nectar up here, look, shiny
Yeah.
stuff, brood in the centre and pollen. I'm going to put that frame down because the queen's on it. Where's she gone again? There she is, she's at the top. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. Well, that's good. That's very good. So next frame.
Oh, that's so cool, but so scary.
Yeah, I love it.
What's all that in the bottom right?
That bottom right is just empty.
Oh, okay.
That's brood. Do you get really close?
Yeah.
Like, see, like the
I'm scared to
curly
get
white
really
things?
close.
No, you're fine. Look, if I can get my face this close. See the little curly ones?
Not really, but I will notice them when I watch this back.
Yeah, those little curly ones are little baby bees.
They sound so much cuter than the bumblebees.
Yes. Well, bumblebees, I mean, they pollinate stuff. Wow, that one's got loads of pollen. They pollinate plants and stuff, but they don't really produce anything.
Yeah.
That's why people don't really keep them.
I'm gonna get a bit further, I'm getting booped.
Are you?
Yeah.
Can't believe we found the queen on the first top of the frame. Oh, this is an angrier frame. Sorry, girls.
I'm not coming any closer then?
That's all.
Yeah, that's like all brood.
That one's doing a shaky dance.
Is that to like intimidate people? Look how fast I can shake.
Shake that ass. Now what it is, it's a way they communicate to each other. So
Yeah.
I'll come in and say, oh, you know, I found some honey, it's down there, turn right the big tree, do a left, you'll see a horse, never mind him, he keeps moving. A drone. It's our first drone.
How can you tell it's a drone?
Okay, so a drone is a male.
Yeah.
And if you look,
Oh, they sound angry. Oh wait, I can see him. Is he like white? Like
No,
light.
this bee here's got pollen on its legs.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Where's the drone at?
Such a question, where the hell has he been? We had no drones the other day when I picked them up anyway.
Yeah.
So here's the newborn drone. Damn, where's he gone? There he is, top of the frame. Right here. See how big he is?
Oh yeah.
Right, he does nothing but eat and poop and have sex.
Like normal men.
Yeah, he's got no sting, he's got no brain.
You have one on your hand.
Yeah, it's cool.
Have you checked like the very front frame?
No, but I can see that it's empty. Just have a quick look just for me. The girl, yeah. There's nothing on there. I'm really happy with that. Was this frame you just picked out, wasn't it?
I think so. I think we're on the third one back.
Try this one. That's all brood. See, look, all the baby bees.
Yes.
That's good as well. There's no sunken in ones. If you see sunken in, it's usually it can be EFB or something like that.
What's that?
Which is a brood disease.
Oh.
It kills them in the cells, and it's really, really bad for your hive. It can mean, because it's so contagious,
Yeah.
it can mean that you have to burn the hive to save it from spreading.
Oh.
It's not as serious as AFB.
What's AFB?
It's American foul brood. Oh no, this is the honey frame. Oh wow, yeah, they've been working that.
Let's
See all
see.
the wet stuff in there?
Oh wow, yeah.
That's nectar.
Okay.
Right, what they
And that
do
golden stuff's honey then?
Eh?
Is that golden stuff on the right honey then?
No, that golden stuff on the right is pollen.
Oh, okay.
And what they do is they mix the pollen with the nectar, or with the
Yeah.
honey when it's finished. Yeah, dude, so that was my first weekly inspection. I took my daughter with me. She loved it, actually had a really good time. Yeah, it went well. Quite happy with that. Yeah, they're flushing out nicely. Moved on to another frame or so, and they seem happy. So we'll go back in 2 weeks and see how they're getting on. See you then.